We're now going to graph the function y equals cosine x. We can make ourselves a table of values here, starting at 0, and then pi over 4, pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, pi, 5 pi over 4, 3 pi over 2, 7 pi over 4, and 2 pi. Now I'm going to graph only from 0 to 2 pi because the cosine function, like the sine function, is periodic. This period is going to be 2 pi. The amplitude we're going to find, just like with the graph of y equals sine x, is going to be 1. If I put 0 in here, I'm going to get 1 for the cosine. The cosine of 0 is 1. Cosine at pi over 4 is the square root of 2 over 2. The cosine at pi over 2 is 0. The cosine at 3 pi over 4 is minus the square root of 2 over 2. The cosine at pi is minus 1. Minus square root of 2 over 2. 0. Square root of 2 over 2. 1. So now let's graph one cycle of the cosine of x. So we'll go from 0 to 2 pi. Pi will be right in the middle. 3 pi over 2 between pi and 2 pi. Pi over 2 between 0 and pi. And then we can mark off pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, and 7 pi over 4, and everything is nice and even when we do it this way. Our amplitude will be 1, so the range will be from -1 to 1. And for the cosine function, we start here at 0, 1. And then at pi over 4, we have the square root of 2 over 2, which is roughly 0.707 if we were to estimate that to 3 decimal places. Pi over 2 is 0. 3 pi over 4, we have minus the square root of 2 over 2. At pi, we have minus 1. At 5 pi over 4, we have minus the square root of 2 over 2. At 3 pi over 2, we have 0. At 7 pi over 4, we have the square root of 2 over 2. And at 2 pi, we have 1. And now if we were to graph a smooth curve through these dots, we find what the shape of the cosine function is.